we're going to this. What is this? Is a church? Corvida. Corvida Monastery. This is one of the tourist spot here.
It's very old.
Cemetery. This one here is okay. It's a nice one. We'll see that later. This is the second day trip. Then we'll go to that one. See that person on the top. This is Romania. So taas na siya nga baktason. Let's baktas here. Let's baktas to. Kita to sa mga. Papa nagbaktas. Padala ang bag kay Kim. Watang, diba? Mountain is mostly batu. Look at the people now. Nagbaktas sila. Huh? Look at the people, oh. They are just looking. Yeah, that this is on the top. Oh my gosh. Okay, see you later. We will see what's inside. But it's gonna hangak to baktas here. We'll see. Okay, this is the view. It's okay. Sorry. Lapad siya. It's a very huge. Pa! Asa sila?